G'day guys, so today we are talking about the Nortic Hamstring Curl, and to help me demonstrate this we have IFBB competitor, bikini competitor, Shay Kemp. Make sure you go across to her Instagram, her Facebook and all those social media platforms and give her a like, follow and share. Today with our Nortic Hamstring Curls, what we want to do is we want to follow our acronym, which is STEP. Okay, first point of call is we want to create stability. So how do we create stability through this particular exercise? What we're going to do, don't go forward for me because you're about to fall over otherwise, you're going to squeeze your glutes on. So you're going to control this part of your hips here, because we know that our hamstrings start there and come up and into the lower portion of, or the upper portion of our hips. So by creating stability through these hips, we're going to load these hamstrings up nice and low down here, and she's going to get her, and her hamstrings are coming absolutely alive. What we can fall into the habit of with this particular exercise is if our backside is off, just go and push your hips out, right? You can come down in this position there and your hamstrings are going to be off, and you're going to probably feel a little bit through your lower back and not get the most out of it, so just relax. So that's point number one. Point number two is you are going to need either a really good place to wedge your feet under or someone to hold your ankles like I'm about to do for Shay. What we're also going to do is we're going to shore up her back. So Shay, what I want you to do is put your shoulder blades back and down, and then use your hands out like this in order to brace. Now Shay's going to lower herself in the eccentric portion. This lift is all about the eccentric component. You can then use a concentric to pop yourself back up. Shay's going to use her hands to generate a little bit of momentum from the bottom and pop back up. If you have the strength to be able to go all the way down, touch your nose and come all the way back up, that is amazing. For those who should do Nordics, is absolutely everyone. If you're an athlete, if you're anyone who is in the gym, if you're anyone who has bad knees, really good knee stabilizer and promotes really good knee health. So that's what you want to do. Right, Shay, you're going to demonstrate for me. So what we're going to do is she's going to count or she's going to go down as slow as she possibly can, and then she's going to pop back up. When she first starts, hold on. Don't go anywhere. Okay. When she starts, make sure that you are placing your weight on the feet and grabbing hard through the ankles. Make sure you place particular force down, otherwise she's going to topple right over. Right, so first point of call, squeeze the glutes on, shoulder blades back and down, hands at the ready, just in case for any reason. All right, when you're ready, 3, 2, 1, down, control your hamstrings, that's it. Good girl, and then pop back up, bang, good. Right, so see how here that her hips went off? We've got to make sure that they stay on. All right, so what I want you to do is we're going to go slowly, and we're going to go down in 3-second intervals. So I'm going to get you to go like this. You're going to go and then just once they go, they go. All right, so hips on, and then go slightly forward and hold. 1, 2, 3. Again, hold. Don't break at the hips. Hips on. That's it. Hips on, and then go. Good. Pop back up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, good. Good. And that there, team, is how you want to go about setting up for your Nordics. Cannot strongly suggest that you keep your hands in front of you, because you may smack your nose on the floor otherwise. And also when setting up, make sure you have 2 mats, because your knees will cop an absolute beating if you are just on the floor or just potentially just using the 1 mat. So double mat, hips on, and yeah, go get those Nordic hamstring curls. Boom.
Nice.